Okay, so Find and Form Fiction Assignment 2 was completely different to Assignment 1. Um, we looked at like different forms again, but predominantly it was looking at children's stories, children's short stories. So children writing is a form that I've never really looked at before or attempted, so I thought this would be another good challenge. So I ended up writing a short story called Pearl and the Demonic Dentist, Dr. McCavity. And I tried to set myself the challenge of writing it in rhyme because I know that children, especially young children or younger children, tend to enjoy that, and it helps them stay engaged and like with the rhythm. And it was just really fun to write and challenge myself. I kick myself a bit because I think I probably could have edited it better, and I didn't realise like there were like some tweaks that I could have made, and I was still happy with the grade I got, but I didn't do as well as I thought I was going to do with this particular assignment, but it's fine. It was still a really good experience, and it's made me realise that I do want to try and maybe explore more children's writing in the future because it was really fun to do. So the story is about this girl called Pearl, and she's just a normal girl except for the fact that she has these magical teeth that shine in the dark, and she ends up going to this there's this evil dentist in her town called Dr. McCavity, and he steals the teeth from children because he's in this debt to the Tooth Fairy, because when he was a kid he didn't look after his teeth, and he caused the Tooth Fairy all these sort of problems and troubles. So yeah, it's kind of a story about that and how she ends up saving the sort of the other children. And she's able to help. She's like willing to kind of give up something, and the Tooth Fairy is moved by this, and the Tooth Fairy then ends up forgiving Dr. McCavity. And I think I can't remember if in the final draft she ends up turning him back into a boy, or I can't quite remember, or she just makes him a better person. But it was fun to sort of explore a different genre that I've never really looked at before. And there were so many different ideas that I could have gone with, but it was very fun to write. I must admit, this assignment, despite how it turned out, it was still very fun to write, and it was really different, and it was just nice. It was just a really nice assignment to do, and it's definitely opened my perspective to maybe trying to write more children's stories in the future. Anyway, if anyone's watched this, thank you, and I hope to make another video soon. Bye.